Hey, good morning, everybody. We are live on, what is it, Wednesday, the 24th. Just taking a quick look here at financial news, make sure we know what's going on the news on the day. Looks like we have crude inventory oil inventories after the market opens, U.S. new home sales. So nothing too huge on the agenda for the day. Good to know, good to know. Yeah, it should be a pretty quiet news day. Nothing too serious. So we've been in a bit of a range since, I guess, Tuesday. Tuesday, pretty choppy. The New York, all the way overnight, choppy. Finally, just broke down below, back into the range I've been watching here. So we are making lower highs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would say these are definitely lower highs after a big bearish move. So I kind of suspect we might be making another bearish move, but obviously we'll be patient here at the open to make sure we see what's going on. Let's see here. Can't seem to hear the music in the stream for some reason right now. There we go. I don't have it playing. There we go. Hey, Gordon. Bullish launch at 7:36 break. You're thinking we're going to go higher if we break the 736s here? I just heard a boop noise in the background. Somebody's here. Trying to deal with the humidity, I'm sure. So, Gordon, you'll be leaning towards a long if we break 736. 736 is this bearish fair value gap. Target the daily VWAP at 777, hey? All right. We got about 10 minutes here till the bell.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, dealing with the humidity. I heard you say that. It's nothing but stickiness and swamp ass.
No doubt.
Kind of love it. Except for the stickiness and the swamp ass. How was your stream last night?
It was okay. Yeah. I don't know what is going on. For some reason, I'm getting denied to log into my Take Profit Trader account. So I had those two accounts yesterday, and one of them is gone. So
check your email if you see if you broke any rules or hit your drawdown.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe I left some contracts on or something. I have no idea.
Yeah, that's an issue sometimes.
What the hell, man? Your account has been disabled. One of our trading rules has been broken on your account.
I'd send them a help desk ticket.
Weird.
I ended up having an account disabled because my cancel all didn't work on the Tradebate platform. So that was an issue. My God, how many lines do you have on your chart there, man? How do you even know what those things are?
Well, I mean, I have one channel, and then the rest are just two view ops, and then the deviation bands.
All right.
So I got, yeah, two view ops.
Yeah, I just switched it over to the StreamYard and saw 14 lines on your chart and went, what are you looking at? I don't even know what those are.
Yeah, and then, but for some reason now I'm trying to log in, and it keeps telling me that my password is incorrect or something. Access denied. Denied. Please log in.
Do you have the two-factor authorization?
I do, but it's not letting me get to that stage. It just when I go log in, it says access denied. Please log in. I'll try the forgot your password here. Password reset.
Angia, good morning again.
Hey, good morning, Angia. It says access denied. Yeah. What the heck? Even after I changed the password. That is so weird. I still have the one account that's active. So I ended up losing in those accounts to get them to 1,580. So I don't know what rule could have broken there.
They're not giving you an explanation?
Well, it just, the email just says a rule was broken or something. Our records indicate that one of our trading rules has been broken on your account. And then the number. Please log into Take Profit Trader to see which was broken. You can find this inside your dashboard.
Oh yeah, you have to click on the account, and there'll be a drop down, and it should give you. It'll have a drop down. Click on that again, and it should give you a list of trades that you've taken. And then on the far right side, there'll be all of the rules. They'll have green check marks next to the good ones, and a red check mark next to the one that you broke.
But yeah, I can't even log in for some reason. Maybe I gotta try different
Now, micro scalping doesn't won't blow an account.
Yeah, I don't know what I could have done there. Maybe it's like a max, like a drawdown amount or something.
Not sure. I just read Angie's comments. I'm not going to pull it up on the screen, but that is good luck, Angia. I hope you get that fixed.
Oh no. Yeah, it says access denied. Huh. All right, this is the bell here. It's like NQ something,
That's my girl. Market is open.
IM's looking pretty bullish.
Q seems to be pushing down on this first 5-minute candle. and it's coming right back up again.
Yeah. I see.
Right, I got my NQ long in with an average price of 29,720. $711.34.
Wow, nice entry.
Single micro. I'm not risking a whole lot this time of day. I just saw the after that initial 1 minute drop, it erased all of the downward movement. So I figured I would get into it after it came up to toward VWAP.
Get it.
Locking in $100.
Pretty strong first 5-minute candle there.
Oh yeah. Getting ready to close this out. It's going to be one of those not being greedy type of trades. Let's see what this candle starts to do. Now, normally I would be adding into this on a pullback, but because it is the opening range hasn't been set. All right, $150, $190. Sweet.
Nice.
That was my one trade of the morning. I didn't take a single trade in the pre-market.
Gotcha. Yeah, I took a scalp there also on my TPT, on that one TPT account that's available still. 127.
Very nice.
Waited for that next candle to sort of stall out on the pullback there.
Well, we are currently above the overnight VWAP. Just pushing up on that standard 1 deviation band and in a bearish fair value gap right now. Now, if it closes above 29,825, I may end up taking another long. Otherwise, I'm staying out of this until probably for another at least 9 minutes.
Ooh, bigger pullback here.
Now, is this pullback going to be time to do to go for a short, or is this pullback going to be a
right back to
a time to wait for a better entry for a long? Gordon's got an 874 target. We're above New York VWAP. And above the overnight VWAP.
Definitely was a buy there. So far.
Buy. I didn't take it.
But we are still stuck in this range. He's saying there's no restrictions on your profile that is blocking your login. There may be too many attempts. You need to exit all windows and clear your browser's cache cookies. Is that a howler monkey in the background there?
No, that was a bird.
Oh, okay. That noise?
Yeah, that's a bird.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah.
Like, how do I clear the cookies? That's delete browsing data? No.
Sorry, buddy. I got no idea.
I know. Like, what is...
All right, can I be patient for another 5 minutes?
Looks like it.
I think I can.
Joanne, good morning. Parameters? Cookie Monster will eat them? See, when your toilet is stuck, you gotta pump and flush? Like NQ right now. And yeah, you're a comedian this morning. You are your father's daughter. You said, are you saying parameters is where I delete the cookies, Joanne? Joanne's techie, so she knows what's going on. Does that mean somebody hacked my account or something? Tried to log in a bunch of times because they don't have my authenticator?
I'm not sure.
You know what I mean? Yeah, access, it says access denied. Privacy and security. Settings, privacy and security.
So I'm going to look up some news here, see what the heck is going on. Binance vows to stay in the EU and make a new bid to operate there.
It still says access denied. I have no idea what's going on.
U.S. Embassy in Kuwait has resumed operations.
Traders no longer fully priced quarter point BOE hike this year. That's what I see on Financial Juice. That was at 20 minutes after the hour.
Israeli drones targets vehicle near Kafar, and they're Ramat in southern Lebanon. And Russia's asking Kazakhstan for 50,000 tons of gasoline to ease domestic fuel shortages.
Oh. Did you already read that one? The U.S. Embassy in Kuwait has resumed operations following the suspension caused by Iranian attacks.
The MOO balance, the MOO imbalance, S&P 500 plus 34. NQ negative 84. Wow. All right. So Tom wants an Act Like an Adult t-shirt.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Tom from Tom Hartman?
Yeah, Tom Hartman.
Nice.
I just heard him in the background, so I can hear Mustang Trader in my head saying "Act like an adult." I need a t-shirt that says "Act like an adult." He goes, "It's probably one of the most childish things you could put on a t-shirt, but he wants one."
Hey, good morning, Clee.
Clee's back. Good morning. Hope you had a lovely evening.
She went for a run last night. She said she was watching the stream, and then.
What were you running from? Responsibilities, mental health issues.
I think she said something like, "I'm in some sort of mood. I'm gonna go for a run."
Yeah, I get that.
That's good to shake it off, right?
I used to love the heavy bag for that. That happens to me constantly. I get irritated and I don't know why. Glad it helped.
Yeah.
It's actually usually, for me, when I get irritated, it's usually because of Dave.
Yeah, I know. I have that effect on people.
Oy.
Oy vey.
Right? Just sitting here watching NQ on the 1 minute chart and not able to pull the trigger. I mean, I'm able, just don't want to.
Well, we did sweep the lows in there and we got a pretty decent reaction. So if the bulls are going to step in, now's the
time.
Yeah.
All right. And I'm long.
Yeah, I'm long too. I'm up about 60 here. Trying to be patient.
I think you got a little bit better price than I did. I'm gonna add one to this.
I took it there at the 30s, right at the POC. Just don't really trust the market this morning.
I don't trust the market any morning.
Just still sort of stuck in this range, so I'm gonna continue to try to be aggressive. That was a $97 trade though on 1 micro. It's pretty good.
Very nice.
ATR 64, 1 candle whip, you 120 points, size down. Yeah.
Yeah, sizing down is, in all honesty, I said that I was taking 1 micro trades for a reason.
Yeah. But yes, YM and NQ all putting in super strong bars here. Dave, quit annoying Nick. Yeah, sorry, Nick.
Dave, you never annoy me. Every once in a while, I do want to just whack you in the side of the head and go, "What are you thinking? Get out of that trade."
Yeah.
But that's it. But that's not annoying. That's just concern for your mental health. I would expect you to do the same for me.
It's telling me to try a different device to log in. So I'm going to try my phone here to see if I can log into TPT.
I'm not going to touch the market now. Cray market. Okay, boys and girls, I'm done. Only 28 bucks to green. Not feeling it today. For some reason, locking my account before I do something stupid. See you later, guys. Skeletor?
Smart job.
If you're not feeling it, get out. That is, as I often say, an adult decision.
Well, I was able to log in from my phone. So whatever's going on with my browser is what's messed up. So
it's okay. This morning I was trying to pull up my TradingView chart, and my browser wasn't allowing me to share my screen with StreamYard, so I had to switch over from one browser to a different one just to be able to share my screen. Good morning, Mr. Stewart. How are you today?
Hey, Dad. That's 7 likes so far. Thank you.
Hey. Need to get me some likes in the morning. Clear your cookies, Dave. You with Chrome or Edge?
It says I broke the rule. Don't allow your account to balance to go below 49,584.
Oh, so you had made a bit of profit on that, and then it pulled back on you. Wait a minute.
It's not trailing drawdown though. It's end of day in the evaluation, right?
Doesn't matter. Every day starts with $2,000 worth of drawdown. So if you make $4,000 your first day, the next day you don't have $6,000 in drawdown. You have $2,000.
It was only the one day I traded it. That was the first day of trading, and I remember I was up 3,000.
I definitely contacted our help desk.
Like everything shows it. Like how can yeah, it doesn't make sense, right? And it showed that my profit was 1584 on the day, 1 day's traded. So my current balance says 51,584.
I contact the help desk because that's
I think
it could be a glitch. It could be them trying to weed out their profitable traders.
Yeah, because if I'm up 3,000, I should be able to lose all 3,000 on that trade, right? Before I'm back to flat.
Yep, you would be back
today.
Yep.
So even though I lost the 1,500 to get it back to the consistency, that shouldn't have lose the account, right?
No,
even if it dropped below 1,500 a bit and then went to 1,500, right?
Yeah, you'd still have your full drawdown.
Yeah. So there must be some sort of mistake there. Jesus price though. I'm so
yeah, this is
yesterday it's been like this for a while. We're building up for a big move. Someone was saying that we're kind of at the end, getting close to an end of a quarter or something, some sort of situation with the end of June here, which is causing a lot of indecision. So yeah, funky price action on NQ, right, Czar?
Yeah, this is a little bit stupid.
Dad's just ducky.
Thought I was the only person who said that.
I'm with Chrome and Joanne. Try to log in on private navigation. Yeah, I was gonna try to do that, and then I was like trying to figure out how to go into incognito mode. Oh, there we go. I'll try it one more time in there. So, although I did get in on my phone, so at least I'm able to do that for now. But I am trying to, yes, specific. So it wants to know the account number, which is this guy right here. Yeah, because then, like, if that was true, like, if I did somehow go below, which I never took that much drawdown in that trade either from the start, then I would have lost both accounts because they were copy traded. Right? So, like, why is one fine and the other one isn't?
Not sure.
Right? What were you going to ask?
I was going to say, did on one of the accounts, did your trades not get canceled? But
yeah,
your balance doesn't show that it would.
Yeah. So Nick from the Take Profit Trader team is checking my account.
Sweet.
It's a Take Profit Trader, Angia. Watch me get my other account disabled now too by bringing this up. No.
Oh, that would be a kick in the teeth.
Like, oh, looks like we made a mistake on your other account too. It's like, no. Clee, you think YM's gonna run, eh? YM is definitely looking bullish. It took the highs and we're above sort of the range anyways. The pre-market range, well above the pre-market range right now. Unless for some reason there was some orders left and it did get stopped out today, right? Because when did this happen? 8 hours ago. So unless there was some contracts left on my chart that got picked up that I can't see because it's not the next trading day, that would suck. Wish I could see the account. Well, that's the thing, is it's not in Tradeovate anymore. Like the account is gone out of Tradeovate, so I can't even see it in there. But maybe it would still show reports under the reports.
Somebody said that oil is dumping right now in case I'm interested. I'm always interested in what oil is doing. Doesn't necessarily mean I want to trade oil. Did just make a low of day at 69.67, and it does look like the it's going to continue pushing down. But yeah, I'm not really too into trading the oil right at the moment. I wouldn't mind if it pulled back to around 69.90 and then getting into a short. Maybe 69.85. We've made continuously lower lows and lower highs. So, yeah.
I must have. It seems like I must have had some account or some orders left on the chart here because they got a time stamp of 102.51.
102.51.
Yeah, like on the 24th at 1 a.m. it hit a drawdown, but then bounced back, it said. Auto liquidated account due to daily loss drawdown.
So you should be able to trade that post 6 o'clock today. Don't they have a $500 or $1,000 daily loss?
No, it's it says it's auto liquidated at the $2,000 loss.
Oh, they don't have a daily. Okay. No.
So I must have left contracts, I guess. Active orders. It's the only way it could have happened, right? Well, that sucks. Shitty mistake, obviously.
But you still have 4 of those accounts, correct? Did you have 5 total?
I had 3, and then I had the other. Yeah, these 2 evals. Oh, that sucks. So blown eval when I'm not even trading it. What the heck? Core PCE price month over month tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. But if it's 2024 at 1, that doesn't make sense either, because that would be 25 at 1. Oh, no, it would be 1. Okay, never mind. If it's 1 a.m. (1:02 a.m.) Did I see the guy from Alberta that went on a yeah, I did hear about that.
The guy from Alberta did what?
He went to Montreal and did a pow on some people.
You know what? Oh, got it. Sorry.
I just don't want to say that word on the
stream. Yeah, I got it.
And he left like this big manifest or something, and he's like a Marxist or something, is what like in the manifest it suggests that he's a Marxist. I don't know exactly what that means, but at least if that's the one that I'm talking about, or that they're talking about. Oh, incel. Yeah, incel ideology.
Incel? Oh, yeah. Basement dwelling, hot pocket eating. Yeah. All right, so NQ starting to chop a little bit. Oil just got a little bit of a lift. Got back above the $70 mark there. Still not convinced that it's going to continue upward, but it is above $70, so that's a thing that happened. If it does continue going up, we'll probably take another NQ short. Or I'm sorry, a YM short.
Yeah, it looks like I left some TPs, some take profits on the account. So I originally had some take profit orders at some point, and I guess I didn't close them after I exited that trade, which doesn't make sense, because unless I must have marketed out, could have sworn I had take profits in there to like get me out. But yeah, it shows 5 5 limit orders activated right around midnight, or like shortly after midnight. It's 00:37:54 on the 24th.
Were you still trading at that point, or
no? So they were orders that were left on the chart. Obviously, they got picked up and then auto liquidated at 102.51. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, he said, here's the fills you had from the most recent trading session. It appears you left open orders.
Now, I know you pretty well. You're not you're good about hitting that exit all button, right?
Yeah, usually I usually always do. So I just don't know how that happened, but I guess I did it, you know.
So what I tend to do is I leave or I open my dashboard on Traders Post, and after I'm done with a session or like a few trades, whatever period of time I decide to use, I open each individual account that I'm trading, and I just make sure that there are no open or existing orders on it.
Yeah. Well, those ones I didn't even have tied to Traders Post yet.
Oh, you can then on you can do the same thing on Trade-A-Bait.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Just a shitty mistake.
So I am looking at a YM long here after a pullback. We got YM above the VWAP and first deviation band. It just hit the second deviation band, seems to be pulling down off that a little bit. So just waiting for a pullback to get into another long. YM is looking pretty strong today.
Yeah, I just attempted along there on NQ, and I just cut it right away. Pretty much, it started pulling back pretty hard.
Yeah, I don't want to trade NQ right now.
Yeah, it's not looking very nice.
It's not great.
Yeah, YM's looking better at the moment.
All right, I just popped in a single micro YM trade. Wow, this is the most choppy, boring trade I've been in a while.
The slowest moving YM trade of all time?
Yeah. I'm used to YM, you know, moving at least a little bit.
Well, ES and NQ are looking quite on the heavy side. Laughter, you saw the video of the Pow Pow female cop versus the bad guy. What a fiasco! Yeah, I didn't see the video, but I heard that a couple people got the Pow Pow.
That's yeah.
And was it the officer Pow Pow'd the other officer by accident or something like that? I'm not sure what happened. I thought I heard something about that. Pretty nasty. These things, you know, if you go back, you know, 5-10 years ago, this stuff is very, very rare in Canada, and it seems to be becoming more and more often that these types of things have been happening.
It's not great.
Under pressure, male cop reacts differently than female cop.
I think anybody in that type of a high stress situation is oof.
High chance to make a mistake, right?
Yeah. Well, you are correct. The men do react to that stuff a lot differently than women do. Women tend to.
Joanne said the first officer didn't make it, and then the woman officer pow-powed another person because she was thinking it was the guy. So a random person got. Damn.
Ugh. So Clee is liking YM at 52,135.
That looks like the view
for a long one.
View up in the previous day's point of control. The woman officer was relatively newbie.
I have this very unpopular opinion about the police in general. First 4 years you're in the on the working for a police department, you get a notepad and a radio, and that's it. After that, okay, maybe some handcuffs and some zip ties. After that, you have to work at it to be able to carry a firearm. Start off with a taser, and then eventually, after you have the experience defusing situations and dealing with high stress situations, then you get a taser. A little bit more experience, then you get a firearm.
Walked away and came back. Conversation got dark. Yes. Yeah, sorry, Jerry. We'll try not to talk about that anymore. It's not a fun thing to be talking about here. So let's stick to the market.
Sad. It's just sad.
Yeah.
Why is POC so important? Good question, Angie. It's because where high volume has been traded.
Yeah, that's the previous day highest volume level that the prices or the contracts have been traded. So the most amount of volume at that level yesterday. Oh, she's out of the hospital now.
Hooray!
Oh,
that's good.
Yeah. But they eventually did get the. I think the offender also is no longer a threat, from what I heard. Are you in that long still? It's looking really good right now in this YM.
Got one. I still got one, and I added two. I took some profits, but I got my stop loss in at $30 in profit. I forgot about how small a YM micro actually is.
Yeah. 50 cents.
I was looking at it going, I should be up like $300. Yeah, no.
Yeah, you got to at least go with 2 micros, right? Then it's $1 for every point.
Yep.
At least that's how I was trading it, anyways. But if you want to keep size down, that's another good option. Right?
Yeah, no, I mean,
MYM, it's like
I did say that. Oh, excuse me.
Keep the size down.
I did say I was keeping my my size down today, and I have been. So.
So previous day low is was support on NQ there pretty nicely. This is a fairly high volume candle, the last 5-minute candle, and now we're taking the view off. So I'm wondering if YM's sort of the leader now. ES and NQ are going to follow. ES is looking really good, better than YM, or better than NQ. Sorry. You very like the music? Yeah, it's pretty good. Thanks. It's I got AI to make this one. It's a violin style, no lyrics, just something in the background playing.
Looks like gold has come up quite a bit as well. I'm sorry, oil is coming up quite a bit as well. Why do I keep doing that? I want to say oil, and I keep saying gold.
Just start calling it goil, and then you're covered on both sides.
Goil's
going up.
Isn't that the guy who does the circumcisions? Is that a goyim? I don't know. All right, I'm out.
Took that?
Took my profits on my YM trade.
Nice.
Very small amount of profit, but I'll take it. Yeah, it is kind of weird trading that small a size on YM. Not exactly used to it.
You're like, okay, $10.50, $11.
Yep.
$11.50.
But you know what? That's $11 I didn't have an hour and a half ago, which is about felt like that's what it feels like trade took, was about an hour. It wasn't, but it felt like it.
Where is Gordon Gekko today? He must have went bank. Yeah, I think he made some nice trades this morning already.
Yeah, he went and got rich and then forgot all about us. That's what happened.
Or he's just counting his stacks of money right now, so
Could be. Could be.
A little busy. Initial balance set here, guys.
I don't know why I'm expecting oil to bounce up. 772. 70.72 is like where I'm expecting oil to get to within the next 15 minutes. Not sure it's going to happen, but I'm expecting it. Don't want to get into an oil trade right now, though.
Just not trusting it.
I'm not trusting anything right now. Nothing right now is looking really good or clean to me. You know what? I'm gonna go grab some more coffee. I need to stop looking at this chart. I'm spending too much time here looking for trades to get into and not looking for good setups.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to force a trade here. So I'm gonna step away for a minute and grab some more coffee.
Dave, your AI got this music from YouTube videos. Think so? You've heard this before and on other YouTube videos? I gave it some sort of like order, like make me some violin house lo-fi instrumental music, and this is what it spit out. So You often listen to this kind of music on YouTube, the Violin Hop channel? Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, I think you mentioned that before, Violin Hop. I think you told me about that channel a long time ago. MES doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's trying to get up above the value area high. NQ is sort of struggling here at the 80s. Not looking like it's going to stop just yet, though. Why are you putting that calculator next to your screen? That's you got this, Wilson, is for copy trading. So it's actually an order controlling module for a trader's post. It's called the command pad. So it's like has buttons for buying and selling and exiting trade, break even, this kind of stuff. So all those buttons are just controls for me to take the trade. Is this a song you made? I've been asking for the names of the past last week, but I missed the question every time. Yeah, this is one of the songs I made. I posted all of the songs in the Discord. There's an AI music channel there. So if you want to, you can, go through all those songs there. And if you like them, you're welcome to download them.
Anything good happen while I was away?
Not exactly.
Well, The boner candle one? Nice.
Yeah, there's a couple that are like that, so couple boner candle songs.
Come back, and it looks like NQ is getting a little bit of strength there.
Yeah. Holding anyway so far.
Wait for a little pullback and consider a long.
Yeah, I was in a long. I took some profits and then I added 1 micro to it, and then price was popping up. I put my stop loss for the 2 contracts at my my add-in price, and then I got taken out of that trade. So I made, 59 plus 96, 150, 155, 165, sorry.
Very good.
Ish. But I took I took 2 losses in a row yesterday in those accounts. So I was down almost 300. So now I'm only down 170 in those accounts, I think. Yeah. Was hoping for some more better continuation there, but we popped up to the 200 EMA at the 800s, 29,800 rejected. Now we're back below the overnight, above the New York, but still
nothing too great.
Yeah.
See how it reacts with New York VWAP and go from there.
Nick, just noticed you shaved your mustache, says Clee.
I did. Wanted you to be able to see more of my pretty face. All right, just put in an NQ long. See how this goes. So far, pretty well.
Yeah, it's popping up. There you go. Yeah, wishing I didn't stop that out now.
All right, I'm just going to hold this for a while. I got 3 micros in at the moment. Up 250. I'm locking in $100. All right, I added another micro to this. Oh, did I do that prematurely? All right, up 450. I'm going to lock in another 100. Up 600. I'm going to lock in another 100. All right, I'm up 700. I'm locking in 400 total.
I did do another 1 micro long there, 72.50.
Now there's going to be a little pullback.
That's an initial balance high right there.
I'm up 800. I'm going to lock in 450.
Nice.
Just in case this pulls back on me.
Man, putting that stop loss too high. Should have trusted it. It was looking good. Yeah, finally some movement.
All right, I got my finger on the cancel all button. Up 950. I'm going to move stop loss up a little bit more. Locked in 630. Added 1 more micro to this.
On that little pullback there?
Yep. Nope, I'm out. All right, made 640 bucks on that.
Nice trade. Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. See, it was worth me sitting around for what seems like way too long.
Having that patience.
Ugh. Patience is hard. Didn't end up taking any trades in the pre-market. So it literally, I've been sitting here for 4 hours now. waiting for these trades.
Yeah. Good job. I wonder if we're going to get any more continuation after this. Still finding some resistance here. We have a bearish fair value gap at 833.50. Trying to take it right now. Need a candle closure above it though.
Just put in a 3 micro long.
On the NQ?
Yep.
All right, nice.
Locking in $40. I don't need to make any more big trades. I just had my one.
Yeah. We do have a bunch of orders above 875, 887, and 900 above. 111 at 75 and 173 at 900. Looks like a bunch came off at the 75 level a little bit. Uh-oh. My book map froze.
Ooh. You need me to pull up mine?
I'm not in a trade, but
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think I'm just going to have to... Oh, there we go. It came back.
All right. So we still have 81 orders on the big contracts at 30,000.
Yes.
29,900 has 30 contracts. Those are they're coming off in onesies and twosies and coming back on.
Yeah, sure, Joanne. What's up? She has a question about TradingView.
Ooh, Lafta did something good apparently. Waiting for a setup. Paid off.
I think he was talking about what you said, what you were saying there when you were waiting for that setup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry, when I'm in trades, I'm not really checking the chat very much.
Yeah, nobody blames you.
we are ending up now the pullback towards that first deviation band.
Mm.
Book map is starting to go a little bit dark though. So I put a limit order long that got picked up at the heck is that price? 29,801. Just a single micro. This starts going against me and heading back toward VWAP. I'm just gonna cut it out quickly.
Yeah, I took a long on the in that bullish fair value gap. I already took profits, so I went in 3 long, scaled out 2 micros as it popped up, and then I put a stop loss in profit, and then pulled back and took me out. So I'm short on 2 contracts. Can I place 2 buy stop orders and use one of them for trailing? Yeah. Buy stop. If you're short, a buy stop. You mean like to take profits?
It'd be a buy limit if you're taking profits.
Yeah, it would be a buy limit if you're taking profits, or I guess if it's a buy stop and you're above price, right? Trailing it. Yeah, you could trail it like that, right? So if you're in a short, you're in profit, and you want to stop it in case it goes up, you can use a buy stop, as long as it's above the price. If it's, you know, if you're in a short position. So yeah, the buy will take you out of the trade with a buy stop. Nice bounce off of that fair value gap there.
All right, I'm gonna lock in 25 bucks here. You're gonna end up with a Randy B candle here? What's going on?
This looks pretty wild.
All right, locking in 30. Let's see what this next 1 minute candle is gonna do here. And I'm out. All right. Another $65. Sorry, that's nothing exciting. 65 bucks on an NQ trade on a single micro.
Well, I think it's fine.
Actually, no, I'm not apologizing for that. I'm okay with making 65 bucks on 6 accounts.
Yeah.
I'm in a long trade on silver that I plan to hold for a long time. What do you consider a long time?
Yeah.
That's the question of the day. What is a long time? I shouldn't have closed out that NQ position.
Yeah, it just keeps going here.
And I'm in again. 2 micros, long NQ at 29,889.
Nice. Joanne said, at this rate, I'll probably take more than an hour. 1 hour is a long time for me. Well, yeah, that's a pretty long time.
I wasn't sure if it was like a cash account trade where you were planning on holding it for multiple days, or, you know, an hour to 4 hours.
Lafta sold his 1,000 ounce bar of silver, or 1,000 ounces of silver anyways. Glad he sold it. Smart move.
Back up at the highs.
Yeah. And Dar says, hopefully we can stay above IB now. Let's go longs. Yeah. I think we're not really out of the woods until we get above 30,000 area, though, for longs, right? If we're going to like really see some big continuation, because we did have, you know, price did pop up to that level, sort of 30,050 area would really be the area that once we get above that, maybe we're going to get back into bullish territory, because that'll break structure. Not to say that we're not going to continue a bit higher here at the moment, but just looking at the price action. And yeah, YM, man. YM is definitely looking the best. Up at 52,514. So if you would have just bought at the open on YM, you'd be up 575 points right now.
Jesus. So $250 on a single micro.
Yeah, basically 250. Multiple days, I will have a heart attack, Joanne.
Yeah, I'm right there with you.
Hold it for a couple days.
All right, got another NQ long in. Now it's going to mess with me.
Don't do it.
All right, I'm underwater on this one by about $40.
What happened to the song here?
I have no idea.
Clee, I think I'm calling it good for a day. Made $1,000. Have no boss duties, so I have the day to yourself. Nice.
Very good. I had to cut that, lost $90.
Shoot. Spoke too soon. Just stopped. Just stopped on the lawns. Time for a coffee and a good stretch. Be back in 15. All right, sir.
Coffee and a good stretch.
Coffee and a stretch.
Says the Canadian. A. Wait, say Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. What are you from, Boston?
Costa Rica.
We got NQ pushing down into a fair value gap, creating a new lower low. Better not hear me say Nick, LOL. How do you say Nick? Spell it out for us.
Costa Rica, it's worse.
Let me guess, you spell Nick with an E instead of an I.
Neck?
Nick. All right, I got an NQ short in here at 29,801. See if it gets down into this, or back down toward VWAP a little bit more. Getting ready to cut this pretty quickly. Locking in $40.
The Quebec accent.
Oh, it didn't take me out. All right. Up now, dead. All right, made $40.
Bull's trying to take it back here a little bit.
A little bit. I'm just trying to make money long and short right now. Use those deviation bands and just go level to level.
Have a good day, everyone. I always enjoy hanging out, watching the chat. I got involved in off-road UTV ride today, so wish me luck.
Hey, good luck.
Sounds like fun.
Come down and visit me. Everywhere you drive is an off-road adventure. It's weird. I got my truck into sixth gear yesterday for the first time, or not yesterday, the day before, for the first time in months.
Really?
Yeah.
And Joanne's going to go play golf. Nice. I'll see if he knows the way, Nick. Not sure if I can find a road that takes us all the way there. Right?
It's going to be a hell of a drive. Where are you coming from?
She's in California.
Oh, you can get down here. I'll be doing that ride this summer.
Into California?
Possibly. I may be going from Oregon and riding my motorcycle all the way down to Costa Rica.
Oh, yeah? Nice.
Yeah, I might meet up with Randy when he crosses the border. Because he's driving down to Mexico. So I may meet up with him and do the U.S. leg of that trip with him. Then I got to ride all the way through Mexico, Guatemala, Nicaragua.
I just Googled it and it would be about 70 hours. Not bad, but hopefully there's a shortcut. When are you going to do that ride, Nick?
August or September.
That'd be pretty sweet to just rent a bike and ride with you.
Can't take a rental over the border.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I do have my bike, but I don't think I want to ride that far on a crotch rocket. So
that's what you get for buying a crotch rocket.
I know. Well, I bought that, when I was younger. So I definitely would want a Harley now if I could swap it. My brother has one. Maybe I should see if I can take his.
Another good bike is the Yamaha V-Stars. Those are,
oh, yeah. Like a cruiser?
Yep. They are very comfortable, reliable. They're just great bikes all the way around. What is NQ going to do today?
It looks like it wants to go higher, but
it's having a lot of trouble getting there, though.
Yeah. Pretty big battle right there. It's been a while since you've been on a motorcycle? Well, it's better to be safe in a vehicle if you can avoid it.
It's better to be safe than what?
In a vehicle. I'm just saying for Clee. That's the only bad thing about motorcycles. It's unforgiving if somebody else makes a mistake on you.
Makes a mistake. Yeah. That's one way of putting it. Look, we're getting a little bit of a push down here on NQ. See if this is going to last at all.
Buyers have been defending this 775 area, 70s.
I was looking more at 755. Yeah, I got a line drawn at 753.90 on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
It seems to be at 723. 53 and 23. You know what? Not liking the price action. Volume's drying up. It's 11:30. It might be time to call it quits here.
Yeah, we're rolling over here, looking like right down to the VWAP. Closed on the VWAP. Taking the VWAP. So we did pull back, found a little bit of support there on the VWAP, broke below it, but then back above it. So wondering if we're going to get a little momentum to the top side now or not. Kind of in a key area, not really a place to necessarily get too excited. There we go. It's starting to pop.
And I got a 3 micro long in right now.
Nice little bounce there off the PLC and the VWAP. I posted what I said before Sage Nick said it.
I'm sorry, what was that?
That's what the Hawkflies said. I'm not sure exactly what he means by it.
Well, that's not uncommon with the Hawkflies. It's always speaking in riddles. All right, I added another 3 micros to this MNQ long. Locking in $100.
Nice.
Got my take profit sitting at 20,975, 29,975.
$8:30 here, eh? Or 11:30, I should say.
All right, up 600. I'm gonna lock in 250. Added 3 more to it, locking in 300, up 7. All right.
It was felt pretty hard to trust this like long off the VWAP just because we've been in such a choppy situation. It's like whether or not that's just going to keep going down to the lows or what the heck, right?
Well, we are still in a choppy situation. All right, made 350.
Beautiful.
Should have cut it a little bit earlier, but you know, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Still $350. Now, do we short this off the deviation band back to VWAP, or we look for continuation for the longs? Let's take a poll.
Nice little bounce there off the VWAP again.
Mm-hmm.
Overnight VWAP. But we're kind of pretty close to that 820 level, which is in the middle of that bearish fair value gap. 29,755. That's the level you were talking about earlier too, wasn't it?
Yep. Oh, my long is going against me. And now it's not. All right. What are we doing here?
Let's go.
All right. Locking in 100. Oh, locking another 100. I'm up 470. I got 190 and locked in here. All right. Take that $400.
Nice.
Wow, today has been a day.
Yeah. Pretty volatile, but lots of opportunities.
Lots of opportunities. It's just the having to be patient and waiting for these entries is starting to make me
yeah, I heard you
feel a little wonky.
I heard you have a little sigh there at the end of that trade. You're like, ah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, breathe. Remember
Just with
breathe.
all this chop, it's I'm catching myself holding my breath in these trades.
Yeah. It's like, come on, what's gonna happen here?
But I'm up about 2,600 per account, so
20. How much? 2,600.
yeah.
Wow, crazy. Those 800s are sort of the roadblock at the moment.
Yep. But it is literally just going from deviation band to deviation band. On a 15-minute chart, I'm looking at this as just up, down, up, down. It looks like my the report from my cardiologist. Oh, I see what the Hawk Flies was saying. He said, I posted what I said before the Sage Nick said it. He's calling me a psychic because he said, greetings, ES is sideways shit in the time of day problems. And I had said something about, it's 11 whatever and volume's decreasing. It's lunchtime.
Makes sense. Yeah, I kind of figured that out later too. I was like, oh yeah, the Sage.
Yeah, I wasn't looking at the chat though. All right. I think I am done for the day.
Yeah, I mean, killer trading day for you.
Go take a nap.
I don't blame you.
I think I need a nap right now. This has been rough. It's weird. Even days when I've got like a good amount of green, when I have to trade like this, it still knocks the piss out of me.
Yeah.
Trump is likely to approve a housing bill within 10 days.
Trump's always causing this housing drama.
Mm-hmm. Did you know that worldwide there are more abandoned houses than there are homeless people?
Really?
Yeah.
What the heck, man?
I see a solution to a problem. Actually, I see a solution to two problems. Just saying. All right, Dave. I am officially done for the day. I can't do this anymore.
Yeah, sounds good.
I'm feeling my stress levels go up and up and up. So
cortisol levels are too high.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. I got to get on with the day 2 here. So,
well, I will see you tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah, sounds good.
Enjoy your afternoon.
Yeah. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Looks like we have about 12 people watching right now. 8 in YouTube, 4 in X.
Wowzers. That's all of the people.
Yeah.
All right, Doc. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. See you, Nick. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks so much. Looking like, let's see here. All right, Angia, Chris, Joanne, Czar, Clee, Jerry, Gordon, Lafta, Forcefed, the Hawk Flies, my dad, Skeletor, Wrong Trade, Jim, you got this, Wilson, Tris, Zumana, and Tim Core. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Thanks a lot. Hopefully you guys finish the day green. I don't know that I'm necessarily green, but I'm not. I did recover a bunch of my losses from yesterday, which is a good thing. So yeah, thanks everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys live tomorrow morning for Market Open, 9:15 a.m. Nick will be live, 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. So if you want to hang out with him, definitely check it out. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out. Bye-bye.